At the end of 2018, Lexus launched a new generation of the ES Business Sedan, a car that introduced the model to Western Europe for the first time. The ES is already rated best in class by the independent safety test organisation Euro NCAP. Now, the ES300h Hybrid is going further still, pioneering new safety technology with the adoption of digital side-view monitors. This innovative system replaces and drastically improves on conventional door mirrors. It's another illustration of our strategy to apply imaginative technologies to deliver even higher safety for all our customers. The system comprises two 5-inch colour screens located inside the car at the base of the front pillars. These relay live images from two weatherproof external cameras. User-friendliness and ergonomics were key when designing the in-cabin screens, so they are positioned in the driver's intuitive line of sight and give an enhanced view at all times, thanks to built-in heaters in the cameras and automatic nighttime contrast adjustment. Furthermore, when the driver selects reverse or uses the turn indicators, the cameras automatically zoom out to widen the field of view, eliminating any blind spots. The digital side-view monitors will be available as optional equipment for the ES300h in selected European markets from March 2020.